The Thermo Scientific ARL SMS-3300 system is a turnkey laboratory workflow automation solution to drive process control laboratories' efficiencies in the metals, cement, and mining industries. With over 800 systems installed in and around the world, we have an undisputed reputation of performance and durability. The ARL SMS-3300 is a compact, ultra-fast, and easy-to-install automated metals analyzer, which uses the latest automation technologies to meet and exceed the requirements of efficient industrial process and quality control laboratories. This system can be configured with a preparation machine and 1 or 2 optical emission or X-ray fluorescence spectrometers. Thanks to its modular design, the ARL SMS-3300 single instrument can be easily upgraded into an ARL SMS-3300 dual instrument with low impact on the existing equipment and no waste. The ARL SMS-3300 is equipped with a robot from Fanuc, the leading supplier of industrial robots worldwide. Metallic samples and standards of up to 1.5 kilograms can be moved at very high speeds with very high repeatability. An open architecture for automated sample preparation allows the ARL SMS-3300 robot access to most sample preparation machines. This enables rapid sample turnaround times, reduces the floor space needed, and ensures reliable, reproducible preparation of metal samples for high-quality analytical results. At the heart of the system is the ARL iSpark optical emission spectrometer along with the OES analytical software running on a dedicated PC. The SMS robot loads the prepared sample directly onto the spectrometer stand, where it is automatically clamped during measurement. The samples can be identified using a label printing system. All the current SMS options are available to satisfy your individual application. The ARL SMS-3300 can also support the ARL 9900 X-ray analyzer for integrated XRF analysis. Find out more about the ARL SMS-3300 Automated Metals Analyzer at thermofisher.com/SMS-3300.